Hello folks, look, watermelon summer splash, fantastic smoothie. I leave you here the recipe, you will love it, just love it. So subscribe to the channel, hit that thumb up button, leave your comments down here, and let's cook together. Take care and cheers, you will love it. So we're gonna soak in almond milk some 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in 500 milliliters of almond milk. Around 10 minutes soak it, and after the time is gone, we are just gonna blend it together with our watermelon and our berries. So look, this is very nice recipe. It's very easy, few ingredients but tasty. You will like this smoothie. So if you are so far to here, why don't you leave the like behind the video and subscribe to the channel. So we're gonna use some lime, watermelon, and 2 cups of mango and berries, frozen both, yeah, and half of a watermelon. So we are going to pour our milk with the chia seeds. Yeah, just remove the bottom of them, but just like that. And now squeeze 1 lime. You can also actually use 2 limes if you like a little bit of more of acidity, but 1 lime is also okay. And now our watermelon. So now we are gonna add our frozen mango, just 2 cups. Yeah, just 1, and 1 of our berry mix. One cup of it, just there you go. There's our strawberries, wild berries, raspberries, also berry mix. You can of course find it in the supermarket. And just like that, we're just gonna blend it, and that will do it. You will really like the taste of this smoothie. It's very easy, and of course very tasty. So thank you very much everyone. I hope you like it, and of course that you do it at home. So leave behind the video your comments, your likes, and if you like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much and enjoy the journey.